So I'm gonna do this vlog. Gonna walk around here on the food stalls, see what they're selling. They sell mga kahita, mga bag. Traffic kay masalakyan ka basuran diri lagi. Yung mga kalo, bracelet, aritos, mga bayo. Macaroons. Dalag ko sa ilang macaroons. Mga sing-sing. Ano siya? Trifle. Sweets. Keychains. There's crepes. There's a crepes. Still quite busy and still a lot of people. We got churros. Chinese. Sorry. Got salt and pepper. Caribbean food. Greek food. There. We got hamburgers and fries. Araman sila slushies. Chicken, fine fillet. It's a Moroccan food, but authentic. We got chicken wings, paella, Spanish food. We got some waffles, Belgian waffles, Chinese food.
You're walking back down where the stalls are.
Walkman. We got donuts, charcoal grilled German sausage, Mexican burrito, and some sweets, confectionery. No damo guys, oh. Shawarma, mga Mediterranean delight, mga dulce. They got Indian food and charcoal grilled chicken, then sweet shop. It's lots of different kinds of sweets. That's basically the end of the food stalls. May bubble tea dito sa Dalom, so matag ko doon nauha ako bakal ako ilim nun. Ban wala masyado customer. Karong iban busy. Kind of thinking from the other day, might as well get Mexican food. They got a menu, so might as well get the burrito. Ah yeah, can I get a burritos, the minced beef one?
Beef sold out, steak sold out. I've got only chicken left.
Yeah, I'll take a chicken. Can I pay it by a card? So burritos is sold out. Minced beef, steak and veg is all sold out. So It's only chicken left, so I had to pay it by card also. This is the menu. Got nachos, tacos, burritos, fajitas, quesadilla, and enchilada. So that's the menu. They also got here steak baguette, nacho, queso, burrito tacos, and cheesy nachos. It's here in Morecambe. Now they're cooking the chicken. They put cheese, beans, and other sauce. Yes, please. That sauce, please.
Thanks, mate. Cheers.
Yes, please. I like beans. Yes, please. So this is the food that I wanna buy since like the other day. I've been passing here in the prom. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm gonna enjoy the food. Now I'm just put on my Facebook and just vlog myself. So ano guys, burrito, chicken burrito and matag ko do gusto ko magbakal sang bubble tea. Ginauhaw ako Gusto ko tayo magka switch kaso tamang ka tamis. Baka lang ako goro bubble tea. Last year arima di sila kaso wala na ako kabakal. So this is the first time that I have bought some food here in the food markets. Still very quite busy. Lots of people. Yeah, damo gyapon. Haya po guys sa mga tao din. Kind of wants the macaroons. Gusto ko macaroons. Yung sarado ng bubble tea. Sarado ng bubble tea guro guys. Okay na. Sarado ang bubble tea. Balik na makadibuas Kaya gasto. 9 pounds pa ni. Baka lang ako dahil sa shop sang guro. Lemnon. Sarado maya silaw. Bali, take out na lang available nila kagang sa front. Ice cream. Baka lang ako di pa na Soup drinks. Pamulot ako dito ng Angelio. Hi, how much for the can of Coke, please?
150.
Just one can, please.
Say hi to the stream.
Yeah, I just...
Hi to the stream.
Now it's just a video vlogging me, so... Just gonna put it on Facebook anyway. Thank you very much. Baka lang ako sang Coke. Wala lang kwan. Bubble tea shop, sarado na. Matamat naman ang mga tao puli. Aring bakal ko burrito, 9 pounds ka can of Coke, 1.50 bali. Nagasto ko subong 10 pounds 50. Wala palabot sang akon kape ka cake dito sa Silverdale nga 7 pounds. So, buwas wala ako bulakon pila naman magasto ko. So, nakaakon ako ng burrito. Akon cook na hulog pa. Yung sa burya kwan, baras. Bullshit. Salamat ka burrito, guys.
One eternity later.
Sila guys, oga, pang volleyball. Pati ang mga Breton intra sila. Pati mga bata tong tatlo to bata og intra. Kaya diri sa UK ang pang nila pan football. Mga tao di sa Morecambe intra man sa ilapan ang pang volleyball. Enjoy man sila. Manog alas 8 na. Ara gyapon ng kon. Adlaw. Balaban alas 10 kini makon naog adlaw. Bagay pluli na. Kumatamat na sarado mga food shop to gani sa kilid to. So guys, this is gonna be the video for Saturday today. And I will be seeing you tomorrow on another video. Peace.